In order to maximize efficiency, it's important to properly prepare the documents before scanning. Follow these guidelines before scanning. Documents always need to be dry, since wet ink will smear or stain documents and can contaminate the rollers and scanner elements. Scanning documents written in pencil or similar material can rub off onto the rollers and stain subsequent documents. Always clean the rollers after scanning a document written in pencil or other soft writing material. When scanning relatively thick documents, such as header cards and envelopes, the feeding process may cause the document to curl and cause paper jams at the document feed opening. For such documents, load no more than 10 sheets at a time, making sure to carefully align the edges of the documents. For optimal results, follow these steps. Remove all staples, paper clips, and binder clips prior to scanning. Straighten out any folded corners and make sure all documents are right side up and facing the same direction. Documents will not feed correctly unless the bottom and leading edges are properly aligned. The following types of documents may cause a paper jam or malfunction: wrinkled or creased documents, curled documents, torn documents, overly folded documents, documents with paper clips or staples, carbon paper, coated paper, extremely thin translucent paper, documents with raggedly torn perforations or binding holes. Please use appropriate measures to ensure that documents feed properly to avoid any malfunctions. Before placing documents into the CR190i, align the edges and load them with their front side facing the control panel with their edges flush against the document load mark. Make sure not to load the documents past this point. Use the built-in jogger if the documents are not properly aligned. For higher volume check processing, consider using an external jogger. Make sure to extend the eject stopper, otherwise a feeding error may occur. Depending on the software application configured for the CR190i, you may simply use the start or stop buttons on the control panel to begin or stop scanning. Continuous feeding is possible during scanning. Make sure to place the additional items behind the loaded batch. If sort method has been set in the software application, documents will be ejected into one of the 3 eject pockets based upon the sorting criteria. The function button, labeled F, can either enable or disable ultrasonic double feed detection when using the scanning utility. For additional information, please consult any instructions provided by the system's administrator or software provider. The function button can be programmed. When scanning a carrier or ATM envelope, turn off the ultrasonic double feed detection and use the separation off mode. When scanning documents that have 2 or more pages together as one, have rough or uneven surfaces, or sticky edges, these documents need to be fed one by one using the separation off mode. Prior to scanning, the settings can be changed in the scanning utility. Click on the scanner setting. Now select the desired setting and click on the OK button when done. For information about configuring scanning settings, click the Help button in the Settings dialog box or refer to the instruction manual for information on suggested settings.